Come get my pan shovel cases ready to be installed with me. Step 1. We have to drill some holes again. Now, since the front is a shovel and the rear is a pan, fun fact. The right side is a generated shovel head case, but the left side is a pan head case. Shovel, pan, shovel, pan. Ka-chow. But of course, that also means this case bolt hole does not line up. I tried drilling it off camera, but I missed. But with choppers, you don't mess up. You just make pretty mistakes. So now with the 3 alignment studs through the cases, we have one more chance. Damn. Perfect. Perfect. Convenient. Now for some threads to match the other side. Ka-chow. And fear not, friends, she is getting helicoiled. Now, let's see if the bolt fits. Perfect. See how easy that was? Isn't building choppers exciting?